Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy and the Aeitto. Both of these machines promise to deliver high-quality ice quickly and efficiently, making them perfect for home parties, offices, and RVs. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and design to help you make an informed choice. The Sweetcrispy is budget-friendly at just $69. While the Aeitto offers a premium experience for $199. Let's find out which one is right for you. When it comes to price, the Sweetcrispy countertop ice maker stands out as an incredibly budget-friendly option at just $69. In contrast, the Aeitto ice maker's countertop is priced at $199, targeting users who are willing to invest more for additional features and a sleek design. This significant price difference raises the question: is the Aeitto worth the extra cost? Let's explore further. In terms of design, the Sweetcrispy features a standard white finish, which is functional but lacks flair. On the other hand, the Aeitto boasts a modern black aesthetic with dual viewing windows that enhance its usability and visual appeal. This design not only looks great in contemporary kitchens, but also allows users to monitor the ice-making process and storage levels easily. Both the Sweetcrispy and Aeitto ice makers deliver impressive performance, producing up to 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, and generating 9 ice cubes every 6 minutes. This makes them both excellent choices for those needing a steady supply of ice for parties or gatherings. While their performance metrics are identical, the Aeitto's additional features may enhance the overall user experience. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy and Aeitto countertop ice makers offer excellent performance and convenience. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done, the Sweetcrispy is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer a sleek design and enhanced features, the Aeitto may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.